In this video, I will show you how to set up JavaFX in Eclipse IDE using a Java project. Search JavaFX and click this link. Make sure your link is the same as mine. I will put this in the description. Click on JavaFX and Eclipse, then click on Non-Modular from IDE. First, we will download the JavaFX SDK, so click this button. Then scroll down and download the proper SDK for your operating system. I'm on Mac, so I will download the Mac one and make sure the type is SDK. Then you should have a zip file in your downloads folder. Unzip it and put this folder somewhere safe in your computer. I recommend putting it in your desktop folder, but I will keep mine here. Also remember the file path of this folder because we will need it later. Now we will need to set up the user library for JavaFX. To do that, if you're on Windows, click on Window. There should be an option called Preferences. Click on that. For us Mac users, we will click on Eclipse, Settings, Java, Build Path, User Libraries, then click New. Give the user library a name, for example, javafx.26. Click on OK. Then select it, add external jars, then navigate to the folder that we downloaded previously, and go to the lib folder inside it and select all the jar files. So the jar files will be all the files with the extension .jar. And then we click apply and close. Next, we need to create our project. Right click under Package Explorer in this area, click New, and then Java Project. Give this project a name. I will give it HelloFX. And make sure the JRE is version 24. Click Finish. Now let's create a package and some files inside it. Make sure to name the package and the files exactly how I named them. For the package name, it will be HelloFX in all lowercase letters. And then we will create two Java classes. The first one will be named main. Click Finish. The second one will be controller. And the final one will be a normal file named javafx.fxml. Click Finish. Now we need to put some code in all of these three files. So let's open up the JavaFX setup tutorial again. Scroll down to add JavaFX classes. For the main class, open up this tab and then copy this code. Go back to Eclipse and put all of those code into the main class. Go back and do the same for the controller class and the fxml file. Here we have the code for the fxml file. And finally the controller. Now we can see we have all of these errors in the main class and the controller class. That is because we haven't imported the JavaFX library. Right click on the project, build path, add libraries, select user library next, select the javafx26, click finish. And now we can see all of these errors are gone. Let's now try running the program. Right click on main.java file, run as Java application. We can see the program doesn't run and we get this error. So let's figure out how we can fix this error. Let's go back to the JavaFX setup tutorial and number 3, we can see add VM arguments. So in order to fix this error, we need to perform this task. If you are on Linux or Mac, copy this, and if you're on Windows, copy this text. And then go back to Eclipse. Then right click main again, run configurations, and then click arguments here, and then add that VM argument to this section. And then get the file path location to the folder that we downloaded previously and copy paste it right here. Exactly like this. So make sure the end is the folder name and then the library folder, lib. Make sure to uncheck this checkbox, click apply, and then run. A window like this should pop up that says hello javafx26 running on the Java version, and the title for this window would be hello world. You might be wondering why we're getting all these warnings. To remove all these warnings, right click main again, run as, then run configurations, go back to arguments, and right before the VM argument, put this text, which is enabling access to javafx graphics. Click apply again and then run. Now you shouldn't have any warning and you should again get this window. So hello world, as you can see in the main.java file, we're setting the title to hello world. I can change this. Let's say I do javafx, run this file again. Okay. And now we see the title is javafx. And then the text we're getting here is because of this line right here. And that is how you set up javafx in Eclipse.